brother and sister of our race, together today to celebrate the three great lights that are reality. Auru, provide us with energy to raise. Leomers, show us the clay within darkness, and Vedana, nourish life from the earth.
And their harmony, there is balance for knowledge. Their harmony, there is balance for no light exists without shadow, and no life exists without peace.
When humans forgot gratitude, the sun burned too hot, the moon hid her face, and the earth wept dry. But those we recall through prayer, courtesy, and compassion. Honor nature, for it is the body of the gods.
Tell the truth, for life cannot dwell in lies. Assist others to rise, for all spirits born one flame. Grace within forever light, find rest in darkness.
In light, peace, in